This 2026 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 6237 LA is a Class C RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulfstream is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, LP detector, water heater, TV antenna, self-contained, refrigerator, microwave, auxiliary battery, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2026 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 6237 LA is built on a Chev chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.